Okay, today I say make I do clean up, then I say make I start with my AC. So I don't remove the AC for wall. See where the AC take dirty. If you check from that indoor, you see as the back take dirty. So I don't lose it, I don't dismantle the AC like this. I want to do the AC servicing. I want to do the clean up. I don't dismantle the AC. I don't remove the cover. That's the indoor cover. I try remove the panel so, and the panel I try loose like that. And I try loose the panel sitter. Okay. Down at the air tile so you can see the panel. You don't lose the panel. Now I try remove the evaporator. I try remove the evaporator. I remove the key. Now the key I remove so for the evaporator. I remove the evaporator. And the fan I try remove. I remove the fan. So the tea they fast. Look, I just need to fast forward the thing because the tea long well. So I need to fast forward that. So that one at the indoor KC be that one. Where all those components, the screw everything, put maybe this big rubber so now they dismantle the outdoor. They dismantle the outdoor like this. I try to use the front cover of the outdoor. And if you do this thing, you have to be very careful because this thing, all those things they would perceive for hand. If you would be okay for you, say you hear hand groove. Because I mean all those things they worry me for hand. I don't like all those things. Like I don't lose everything. I don't lose the front cover, everything. I don't enter the washing. And the washing and the cover the wash so the contact side cover for the outdoor. I have to shift all those things, come out the fan, the panel, make water no go to it because all those ones don't like water, any small thing. If you know come up again. So I just wash the KC, the indoor KC, the cover, front cover. That's the fan. This fan really take me time. Now this fan I did the work really did because you see as a dirty bar. This same fan I will see show now this same fan when I don't service the AC. This fan really take me time more than 1 hour. I had to try clean this fan. So this AC service, this particular service expert, I know they do it for any other person. Now for person who know the value, where go feel release money. Because if I want to do this service for you, 30K, 25K. If I know you, I still collect 20K.